Welcome to our comprehensive guide on setting up your OANDA Live account on MetaTrader 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the OANDA website and click Sign Up. Fill in your personal details to begin. Next, download the MetaTrader 2025 platform from the official site. Click on the download link and follow the installation prompts. Open MetaTrader 2025 and select OANDA as your broker. Enter your account credentials to log in. Go to Tools and then Options to configure your MetaTrader settings. Ensure your interface suits your trading style. Familiarize yourself with OANDA's currency pairs and their spreads. Understanding these is crucial for informed trading. Set up your charts using different time frames and add technical indicators to aid your trading decisions. Now that you're set up, it's time to place your first trade. Select your currency pair, choose your position size, and hit Buy or Sell. Always practice risk management. Set stop losses and take profit levels to mitigate risk and improve your trade analysis. Thanks for watching. You've set up your OANDA Live account on MetaTrader 2025. Continue learning and happy trading.